Hello everyone, today we're going to be making donut holes. The ingredients you will need are 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can make your own by mixing 1/2 cup milk and 1.5 teaspoon vinegar or lemon juice. Then let it rest for 5 minutes. 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons melted butter, and 3 to 4 cups vegetable oil for frying. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients, let's get started. First, you're gonna pour your melted butter into your buttermilk mixture thing and whisk it. After you whisk it, put your buttermilk mixture into the mixing bowl. And now you gently mix your mixture slowly. Make sure you don't overwork your dough. Now that you mixed your dough, make sure you mix them well. We're gonna take about 1/2 tablespoon and roll them into balls. Like this. So now that you rolled your balls, place a little bit at a time into the frying pan. Make sure your frying pan is at 355 degrees Fahrenheit. When you put them into the frying pan, make sure you roll it so it doesn't burn. it to the other side. Make sure it turns brown, then you know it's cooked. This is what it looks like after you fried it. We also let it cool down for a little bit, and now we're going to start making classic vanilla glaze. You will need for this is 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1.5 cup tablespoon milk, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla. Now we're going to mix it. After you mix it, you can either dip your donuts into the glaze or take a spoon and pour it over the donut. Our donut holes now topping with glaze. I hope you enjoy it and try it home too. Please subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the notification bell so you will get notified every time we post. Thank you.